Yes, guys, daily vlogs with Vedesh. So, Cindy, come and check me. And I made some food. I'll show you just now, but I just want to cook something quick for she. Cause when you go buy Cindy, trust me, Cindy go pull out she whole. Cindy go pull out she whole fridge and gear. So, you see when she come by here, you have to bring out something. So I had a little chip on a goat, and it's by this little portion. So like when I'm home during the weekend thing, you know, I can make a little small cook for me and the family. All of my children do eat goat and do eat duck. At least it's like enough for me and my mother. So I took out the chip on a goat I bought. We see the top real nice, and this is a chipong pack of duck, and it's buy from Extra Foods. This is $100. And then we have some little seasoning cut up here. A little pepper there. And we're going to chunky this and a little quick food. A little quick meal. Not too much. Just my mother and Leah and my sister and Cindy Boston. A little small lime. And I just want to chunky this thing quick. I will show you, just before this, I cooked some food for Leah. I will show you that just now. We saw where it goes. Daily vlogs and videos. Don't forget to like, follow, and eat goat and eat duck. Guys, this is the food I make for Leah today. This was Leah asked me to make this personally because she found my tuna this tastes real nice. So I fried up this tuna with real pepper. It had a 3 pepper in it, some onions, some garlic, and pimentos and stuff. And we made some basmati rice. And that was she was feeling to eat. So Cindy eat, my sister eat, Leah eat, and then I decided to make that other cook. So you see how that goes. So guys, I'm a 2-pot lineup. You might find this oil looking a little dirty. It's not dirty oil. I like to recycle oil. So this is the oil I fried the plantain chips with. Right, the mature oil there. And I'm a next pot here. Mature oil. Yeah, I want to try and chunky the 2-pot. The 2-pot. If it was up to Vedesh, guys, I mix the duck and goat together. You understand? And cook it. But the time I do that. Right, so I had the oil cutting up there. And I chunky the 2 duck. The duck and goat, 2 different pot. But same exact recipe. Curry leaf, man. Curry leaf. You can't go wrong. So guys, curry leaf burning up real nice. I see my mother like to add she like to add saffron. First, I don't know what, but I'll be following she recipe. Why not? And understand? Saffron first. Always put your onion first. This is garlic this bun. This is garlic this bun fast, so put your onion first. Real thing, I should put the duck in this one, and the goat in this one, or the duck in this one. It don't matter, it's a little bit of both. Now we're talking about. Now we're talking about. If you're hungry, guys, you're hungry now, wait a second. Let me get that out on. Same spoon for both. You understand? Same spoon. You call this video in the pot. You really have no place. I don't have a fancy kitchen yet, guys. When I have a fancy kitchen, I'll take the whole kitchen. Right now, this is my backup kitchen here. Kitchen kind of crazy. Yes, I'm gonna add some more stuff. Now I could add the garlic and the pimentos. I'm gonna add half here. And I'm gonna add this here. Nice. Over nice. Lovely. Burning this piece of pepper nice. Some people say you should burn the onion a little bit. I don't know. But I tell you, this place is funny nice. Over nice. This two working better than that one. This one burning faster. Yeah, man, time to add the curry, normal curry. Check it out. I don't want to add too much of curry. I'm not going too crazy with the curry, tell you. Lovely. Beautiful. I don't want to go too crazy with the duck and goat. I find sometimes when you add too much of this duck and goat, it's take over the damn food. I don't know, if you find so, I like duck and goat. What do you say? Well, a little drop of jeera, guys. Not too much. But why you say you don't need to add too much of masala when you add duck and goat? So, pay attention. Leave all the masala. Now I'm going to drop. What she know? She's the duck. She's the goat. I put a little bit of masala. A little drop of masala. Nice. Beautiful. Check it out, guys. Looking nice. This pot is a nice pot. Nice thicker pot than this pot. This pot is a thin pot. Right. I'm add a little water. What is it? I burn in my hand. I burn that sorry, boy. Burn the sorry. A little bit, guys. A little bit of meat. Yes, guys, you see this one looking good. This one want a little frying up again. And I feel I want to add the goat in this one. Look at that goat. My God. Guys, it's not easy to make a video and cook yourself. It's well, it's time consuming. And I hope all this really appreciate the effort. It's really time consuming. You could do this so fast. You understand? It's really take away a lot of time you could spend otherwise, but it's something that I just love to do. Actually obsessed with it, you know. Like making videos and posting videos. I literally pretty good looking so far. It's an obsession, no lie. I feel looking over nice. You understand? They add a little salt, but you know I go still add salt and into taste and thing, you understand? And I want to add a little more pepper and thing. Oh God. This one looking good. Let me add the duck. $100 duck, guys. What do you think it worth it? This will be cheap on a duck. So they claim cheap on a duck. I find not bad for $100. 4 people can eat comfortable from this. I say so. So I'll do a load of heat and try and get 2 covers to cover these pots on them, guys. What do you say? I'll try to bring everything down inside here already. Looking over nice. Where's a little goat flavor and a little duck flavor in nice small thing, I think. Right, I'll need to load on the heat. And we see how this goes. Bam. Guys, time to check out the fresh water burning. Oh my God, check out that goat. I'll eat a nice little turn. Add water and let it take time and cook. Really, that's oh God, perfect. Perfect, all the fresh water burn out. I guess I have no salt and thing yet, oh my God. I'm blowing up the skin, man. I'm gonna get some water. Yes, guys. I'm add the water. What do you think? Enough water? I say you come with enough water, I don't know. You see with goat is never know how hard the goat is like. It's when you start cooking this, you know. But I feel it's hard goat. I'm gonna add a little more water. A little thing again. Right. Bam. Some people just boil the water, just do it when I'm ready. I wasn't thinking. I'm gonna do that here. Now let me check the duck, right? Don't forget same spoon. Tell you guys, it's not easy to tape and record. And you have 2 pots. Oh my God. How the duck looking, guys? How the duck looking? See? The front stove looking better than the back stove. So some of this water burn out. So let's let this water burn out, guys. And I'll add a little water to this. Check the calipile, my God. Pretty. Plenty calipile. What do you think? This worth $100 duck? I don't know. I find it looking a little bit today. I think, man. We're going to see how it goes. Beautiful. Guys, I had a little piece of thyme. And look at that little secret. Check it out. This is a half a scorpion pepper. No children eating today, guys. Only for the adults. If any children want to eat, same spoon. Sorry, same spoon. half a scorpion, small scorpion. Very good there. Back to the duck. I'm ready to add some water to this. This will need much water. The duck will be much soft. Most likely this is farm duck, guys. So I'll way less water to this. I'm gonna get the water one time and add it. If you're hungry, hopefully you're hungry now. Hopefully, I know. A little more, not much. And beautiful. These ducks soft. These ducks just cook fast. Plenty time. If you want your food tastes nice, plenty time. I always say. You understand? Plenty time. Same amount of goat and cheap on a goat. That's a bit cheap on a duck and how much goat. I don't know. I feel like you're wrong. Extra food, I buy the goat and the duck family. There's 3 pound a goat and the pack I think stated 3 pound a duck for 100. But this ain't looking like 3 pound a duck. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Special salad for Cindy. What do you have in here?
It have garlic, it have pepper.
What else?
Banana. And there's lime.
Lime.
Yeah.
So the onion chow.
It's a salad.
My mother went to make some salad roti here. We have salad roti inside this container.
No, for roasty.
Roasty roti, and I have some rice. So I tell you, just we alone. There's some what? What you want to do? Oh, you want to show me the roti?
Yeah, well, that day I see Kevin open the roti.
No, we show the roti.
No.
Oh, check it out. She had 3 loy, guys.
Yeah.
It was salad roti loy, and they make bus of shot.
Yeah.
Normal salad roti.
Salad roti, yeah.
And you make
So I
some.
had 3 loy.
And you just
so I
make.
this is 6 roti here.
Okay,
So I divide it in 2. One is 2.
Lovely.
Yeah.
I'm going to check my meat, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Check out the goat. But I find the goat looking nice. Put the sauce burn down a little bit. I don't take the cover. It should be good now. I will taste a little piece off camera. I'm still studying how this could be 3 pound a goat. And my duck is 3 pound, $400, and I get a little bit of duck. I still don't understand that. Let me show you. Tell me how this matching. Look at goat, 3 pound a goat. Watch how much. You understand? Let me check out the 3 pound a duck. Watch the 3 pound a duck, guys. Well, I find the dog looking small a little bit. I don't know. But I dog, guys, check it out. Yummy. That's it, guys. Good done. Nice sauce. Check it out. Yummy. You're hungry? You're hungry now. So, guys, time for the food. Leah gonna eat some mushy tuna. And then famous salad. My salad look amazing.
And I'll put baji.
You put baji. Not a baji. Leah, what is that?
Baby
This is the curry duck here. This is the goat. The roti.
Roti, you get a roti?
Check the roti. And that was salad roti. Flour, you know, in here. She get that. And we have some of the famous rice. How do you make that rice here?
Boil it.
Lovely. Are we going to take a little munch? It's over nice. It's real nice. Do you ever take a little bit of duck sauce?
I'll taste it for me. Or no,
Yeah.
you taking it?
No, I'll put it separate. I won't put it separate, but yeah, take some of the famous salad, yeah?
Yeah, I'll take it.
But yeah, you love how I make that tuna.
Yeah, it tastes wrong. It tastes like
Salmon.
Yeah, it really tastes like that.
Yeah.
Plenty, you know, to get more.
Yeah, well, we eat everything, you know. Yeah, take some of that salad now.
I'll take some.
Oh, you take some of that salad already?
Yeah.
Take some more.
Take more
Yeah,
now.
I'll get it.
Yeah. Ma, what are you taking there? Some
I'm
rice.
taking some,
I don't
yeah.
think wanted roti.
No, I'll leave in the roti.
Yeah, smaller spoon for that. Small.
Nah, but
Nah,
how
nothing,
do you look
very
looking?
good.
Me and all the food is good and nice. A little mad thing. It looking good.
Nah, looking delicious.
You sure?
Yeah, I didn't cut this piece.
No, I didn't cut nothing.
I cut.
Exactly how it is from the pack. Just what.
No, I cut it in
Have you
two.
come to eat?
You sure you don't want the rice?
You want some curry?
First time Cindy first time eating at my table?
Yeah.
You lie. Oh, you wasn't there for the birthday party? Oh my God. Cindy, take sauce something, you know. Is roti eating or rice eating? What you eating? What you doing, Cindy? What What you taste so far?
Good.
How the goat is it?
Well,
Me, I don't know. I ain't taste the goat.
it's just some pepper.
More pepper?
There's a pepper.
I put half a scorpion, hopefully.
That pepper.
Oh, well, yeah. I put half a scorpion each. I say, well, the only person I was thinking about, Cindy, why only put half a scorpion each, because I know no children eating. I think in case Ada knows some food. I don't know if how much pepper he does eat now. He does eat pepper?
Nah, a little bit.
So that one I didn't put too much. I was thinking about it, because I know Ada is, man of my children do eat none of these things, guys. Nice, lovely. So guys, I'm going to take out my food, and I'm going to see what this thing tastes in. My, you know that. Don't cause the border. Lambada style. You have a fork?
What? Oh, I can pass spoon.
You can take this one in a Vedesh and I can all the steak back.
No, I don't want to rice. I want a piece of roti, boy.
Oh, you want roti?
Yeah, I'm going to take a piece of roti.
Take the roti, I cook the roti.
Yes, and you taking. You have a rice? You have a rice and you put on a rice?
Those the roti for you.
I'm excited to this roti.
Yeah, you have to do take. Wow. Roti. I'll take some Vedesh.
So guys, time for the big eat. A little small taste. Quick bust up shot. Watch me, and insist I open the roti. It is sada roti flour, guys. You man, when I transform it to bust up shot. Check it out. Might open it real nice. Check it out, guys. I don't know what to taste first. I'm gonna taste my dog sauce. I have plenty of this grass layer. Get me into this.
Guys, it's dark really good.
Dog.
No, that good there too.
I'll give you some sauce one second and you will taste it. You will taste the dog sauce, but dog, I find the pepper just nice, but Cindy love real pepper.
Yeah, that's what I have.
That's enough.
No leave shit, I know. She's a baby. But it's a piece of dog, guys, with the sauce. A little bit of. My very food is him. And this is an apple and some Helen famous with a chow. Where's Kolama? Huh? Salad.
Onion, salad, and I don't want to put another wood. What?
Baby bok choy.
Alright, chicken.
One week will be family, right? The corporation is real there. No, Cindy, you agree?
Yeah.
No, it's like I put him in the top, and while I put him in the top, my mother gonna clean it, right? While he make clean, they have boiled rice. While he have boiled rice, I find up tuna. When I turn and twist, later on season, the duck and goat. When I turn and twist, I don't cut up all these things to chunky the duck. When them turn and twist, I don't chunky the two duck. You understand? And same thing when we go by Cindy house. It always has somebody doing something. You understand? And that would make the work hard. I'm going to taste the goat. Like I'm confused. I don't know which one is goat and which one is duck.
Yeah, this is good. I can see it.
This is goat?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, what kind of nice piece of goat, guys? I'm going to try it. Yeah, the roti and the duck sauce. Tasting amazing. My God. So guys, I'm going to finish very soon with a short and small video on daily vlogs. And we out. Bye-bye.
We all family.
We want to do. You want to continue it? When I'm come, let me get to the same bye-bye. Sandy, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.